Do you use your kitchen table for your work setup? My name is Roxanne Meldrum and I'm a physical therapist with PT Health Academy. I don't think it's unusual to set yourself up at the kitchen table from time to time. The problem is that these kitchen chairs were not designed for prolonged sitting. Please remember, however, that our low back was not designed for long periods of sitting, and you really should get up every 20 or 30 minutes and take a break. But let's face it, sometimes we get sucked into what we're working on, the task at hand, and we sit here for much longer than that. And then we are able to slink down and slouch, and that puts a lot more stress on our low back. There are a couple tricks I can suggest to make this better. First is you can use a towel to lift your hips a little bit higher than your knees. And you can see, I think, that it's much easier for me to stay up taller with my hips raised a little bit higher. I like the towel because you can re-roll it and you can set it to be just the height or size that you need. That seems to work well for you. The other trick is this cheap little foam wedge. When I slide that underneath, that definitely rolls my hips forward for me so that I don't have to hold myself there. And that helps to keep my back much straighter as well. Even using these tips, I would suggest that you get up frequently. Every 20 or 30 minutes, take a break. I also take my laptop into the kitchen where I have a higher counter so I can use it in standing for periods of time. Give the towel or a wedge a try and see what you think. I hope you like this tip. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for listening.